Congratulations, you got yourself a Young Living starter kit. My name's Shannon Williamson, and I just wanted to show you what in the world to do with this kit. Now that you have it, you may have attended a class, you may have seen, I don't know, some sort of post or a friend told you to sign up, or you got it as a gift or whatever, and now what do you do with it? So we're talking about this beautiful kit right here, and it comes with 11 oils, some samples, and a diffuser. So depending on which diffuser you ordered, you most likely got either the Desert Mist, which is my favorite. It's beautiful. It runs for 10 hours. It has 10 different settings, including the candle flicker setting, which is so beautiful. Or the Dewdrop, which is more just kind of a streamline. It fits in, it's just really simple, so it fits into most different home decors. So depending on, regardless of which one you got, either the Dewdrop or the Desert Mist, you're just gonna take the top off. It has 2 layers, so the middle, and then there's just a fill line. So you just fill up with water to the fill line, add a few drops of essential oil to start with, put this on, put the cap on, and plug it in, and you're good to go. And so the first setting, you're just gonna press, with the Desert Mist, you're just gonna press the on button. And then you can, with the light button, you can scroll through the different light settings. With the Dewdrop, this runs for 4 hours. I have one of these in each of the kids' bedrooms, but again, you're just gonna fill it up to the fill line. You can see this red marker, so you just fill it up to that red marker. Add a couple drops of essential oil, lavender, Stress Away, Citrus Fresh are probably some really great ones to start with. Put that on the top, and with this one, you just press the button. Okay, so super easy. That is how you use your diffusers. Okay, so get those going, and here's your box. And so you're gonna open your box, and this just tells you what the contents are in it. And then when you open your box, you see all these beautiful oils. Look at all the pretty colors. Do not forget about the literature that is in here. So some great stuff that you're gonna see, like, just a welcome letter, and it talks about kind of just the history of the company, seed to seal. So what the different oils can do. So just take a minute to go through those, and let me go over briefly what each oil on the top level, the 10 oils on the top, the uses. Okay, so lemon essential oil. This is mood boosting. Citrus oils are mood boosting. They are detoxing. So this is fabulous. This is like really in there. Let me get it out. Sorry. Mood boosting, detoxing, fabulous to put in your water. When you're using oils and water, make sure you have glass, and that includes the straws, because citrus oils will actually leach the plastic, and you don't want to be drinking plastic. So add a drop in your water, and it's amazing. It's flushing, it's detoxing. Like I said, lemon is also a great degreaser, gets sticker residue off. So lemon you're going to be using a lot of. The next one is copaiba. Copaiba is a resin from a tree. This is amazing for pain, inflammation, creaky joints, great for teething babies. So you put that right on their teeth. It's super mild. It's not spicy. A lot of people put these in clear capsules and swallow them just for overall achiness. And this also has more of the beta carotene than CBD oil. So if you use CBD oil, try the copaiba. It has more of that therapeutic benefit in it. That's a big, huge favorite. Okay, Digize. Digize, just think digestion. Anything that has to do with tummy troubles, slowing things down, speeding things up, like heartburn. This is just a really great one for all things digestive support. Also great to support the immune system. And Thieves. Who hasn't heard of Thieves? So Thieves is going to be your oil for just supporting the immune system. So I put this on my kids' feet every day. We diffuse it as much as we possibly can. Try Thieves with lemon. It's amazing. Or Thieves with Citrus Fresh. You can put this in your tea. You can swallow it as a capsule. So the more Thieves, the better, right? Because we all want to support our immune systems. Who wants to be sick? None of us. Just remember, this is a spicy oil, so make sure you dilute with a carrier oil. Carrier oils are just your fatty oils like coconut oil or olive oil. Mix a little bit with that just to lessen the heat on your skin. Okay, peppermint. Peppermint is a muscle relaxer, so it's great for head tension, any sort of tension in muscles too. Obviously, it's going to freshen breath. Try putting some peppermint on the back of your neck. It just leaves a cooling sensation, so it's great for that afternoon slump. It's great for focus, for diffusing. So peppermint is amazing for so many different things, but really the kind of the wow factor is head tension. So you can put that like on your forehead or like on your temples. Just again, can be spicy for some people, so just go low and slow at first, and feel free to dilute with a carrier oil again. Panaway. This is amazing for sore muscles. It has wintergreen and helichrysum in it. Notice how it has a child cap, so this might taste sweet and we don't want kids to ingest just because it's such a high concentration. So Panaway is amazing for, like I said, any sort of sore muscles or joints or anything. Again, feel free to dilute just to spread it farther if you're doing a massage or anything. Plus it just smells amazing. Raven is another like really good for the immune system, respiratory support. So Raven is going to be great for anything respiratory. You want to apply topically to the chest as well as the back just to coat the lungs. And this is also great to diffuse for any sort of, congestion or anything like that. I mentioned Citrus Fresh, so this is amazing to put in your water. This is amazing to mix with thieves. This is a huge mood booster, so it has tangerine in it, which is amazing for just kind of low feelings. It smells so good, so put that in a diffuser. Even people who feel like they don't like the smell of oils, I don't know. I don't know anybody who doesn't like Citrus Fresh, especially kids. This is a natural mood booster because kids just really respond to citrus oils. So try that in your diffuser and just see what you think. Frankincense. I think this might be my favorite oil. And hello, they brought it to Jesus, so it's got to be good. But this is like the #1 skin oil. So try putting a couple drops of that on your face at night or in the morning. And it's just really good evening out skin. It helps with sunspots and wrinkles. This is also super good for the brain. So brain fog, grounding. This will like huge emotional support with frankincense. It's just great for skin in general. So wounds that are healing. So it's kind of, they say, when in doubt, get frank out. And I have to agree. There's 10,000 recorded uses for frankincense alone. And then lavender. I mean, this is probably the #1 most popular essential oil in the entire world, and for good reason. Another really, really good skin oil. And great for skin like burns too, and like a salve you can make. So keep that in your kitchen if anybody gets burnt. And then also like topically, again, for like skin evening, and just smells great. So it's calming, it's great for sleep, for just calming, for focus too. So this is a really good oil to diffuse during homework time. It's just a really good focus oil. So lavender is another one that you just kind of want to have on hand. Also for hair growth support. Who knew? Okay, we just went through 10 oils really quick, but so many more uses than I went over, but those are some key uses. Okay, so I'm taking this level out because there's a second level in your box. So some people don't know that. You'll see the little pull tab. So take that off and you have a whole nother level of goodness. So in this level is the last essential oil that comes in that stress away. And who doesn't need a little bit of stress away? So just this is calming. It's gonna just bring down your blood pressure. It's gonna just help you to breathe deeper. So use it as perfume. Replace your perfume with this, put a couple drops and just breathe it in. And this just smells really great to diffuse too. It's got some samples, so if you ever wanna share the oils or make some blends or put it, pop some in your purse. And then it comes with a roller fitment. So you can turn any of these essential oil bottles into rollers, if I can get that out. And you just take the plastic part off the roller or off the bottle and just put that on, and that just makes it easier to apply, especially for kids. It also comes with some like share it things, just with a little bit of information. 2 packets of like liquid gold, which is the Ningxia Red, which is energy through the roof, brain fog support. Pop these in the fridge and just drink like a half of these a day, and that'll last you 4 days. Just see how you feel. I absolutely rely on this now to get through the day. My husband asked for that red stuff. It's so amazing. It has the wolfberry, which is just, it's like off the charts antioxidant, which we want that. It slows down the aging. It helps detox your body. It gives you energy. Like, you want that. The last thing that comes in is a sample of the Thieves household cleaner. This replaces all cleaners in your home. Every single one of them. It works. It does better than bleach. We've tested it in an actual lab. Why this isn't in everybody's home, I don't know, but now it's in your home, so you want to use it. This has 2 samples. This makes 2 bottles of spray cleaner. So this is I just made this myself, and just put half of this in like a 14 to 16 ounce bottle, half of this packet, and then fill the rest up with water. So you'll get 2 of these in here, and that will last you like a couple months at least. So this kit is amazing. It has so much amazing goodness in it. Let me know if you have any questions, or the person that you enrolled with, and enjoy your kit. Use your oils. It's the best secret to success, is to use them and use them often. Okay? Super excited for you. Enjoy your oily journey.